Water is one of the most essential resources for life, yet the growing population, rapid urbanization, and industrial activities have led to the generation of vast amounts of wastewater worldwide. If left untreated or improperly managed, wastewater can pose serious risks to public health, ecosystems, and the sustainability of water supplies. Traditional wastewater treatment methods, while effective in removing pollutants, are often energy-intensive, costly, and environmentally taxing. They rely heavily on electricity, chemicals, and complex infrastructure, making them less feasible in resource-limited or decentralized settings. In contrast, sustainable wastewater treatment methods offer an environmentally responsible and economically viable alternative. These approaches aim to not only treat wastewater efficiently but also minimize energy consumption, recover valuable resources such as water, nutrients, and energy, and protect natural ecosystems. By integrating ecological principles, innovative technologies, and local community engagement, sustainable methods pave the way for resilient water management systems. This discussion explores the key sustainable techniques for treating wastewater, each method contributing to a cleaner environment, improved public health, and a more circular and sustainable future. Wastewater, the byproduct of domestic, industrial, and agricultural activities, poses serious threats to the environment and public health if not properly treated. Traditional wastewater treatment processes, while effective, are often energy-intensive and resource-consuming. In response to growing environmental concerns, sustainable wastewater treatment methods have gained global attention. These approaches aim to reduce environmental impact, recover valuable resources, and ensure long-term ecological balance. Let's explore the key sustainable methods for treating wastewater, each designed to minimize energy use, maximize resource recovery, and protect water quality. To begin with, we will examine constructed wetlands. Constructed wetlands are engineered systems designed to simulate the functions of natural wetlands. They use a combination of vegetation, soil, and microbial activity to treat wastewater in a natural, passive manner. These systems can be of two main types. Surface flow wetlands, where water flows over the soil's surface through wetland vegetation. Subsurface flow wetlands, where water flows beneath the surface through a gravel or sand medium planted with reeds and grasses. Benefits of constructed wetlands include low operational and maintenance costs, no need for complex mechanical equipment, ability to remove organic matter, nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus, and pathogens, enhanced habitat creation for biodiversity. While they require larger land areas, constructed wetlands are especially suitable for rural or decentralized treatment applications and can be integrated into landscape designs for dual purposes: treatment and aesthetic enhancement. In the second place, anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion is a biological process in which microorganisms break down organic matter in the absence of oxygen, producing biogas, a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide, and digestate. This method is ideal for treating high-strength wastewater from industries like food processing, breweries, and slaughterhouses. The key advantages of anaerobic digestion include energy recovery through biogas, which can be used for heating, electricity, or vehicle fuel. Reduction in sludge production, lowering disposal costs. Low energy input, as it operates without the need for aeration. Potential for nutrient recovery from the digestate, which can be used as a fertilizer. Anaerobic systems, such as upflow anaerobic sludge blanket (USB) reactors, are increasingly used in developing countries due to their simplicity and energy efficiency. Furthermore, membrane bioreactors (MBRs). Membrane bioreactors combine traditional biological treatment, like activated sludge, with membrane filtration for advanced wastewater treatment. The membranes can be either microfiltration or ultrafiltration units that separate clean water from suspended solids and microorganisms. MBRs are known for their high-quality effluent, suitable for reuse in irrigation, industrial processes, or even potable applications after further treatment. Compact design, requiring less space than conventional systems. Reduced sludge production and improved process control. Despite their higher capital and operational costs, MBRs are considered sustainable in contexts where space is limited and water reuse is a priority. In addition, natural treatment systems, ponds and lagoons. Natural treatment systems such as oxidation ponds, facultative lagoons, and stabilization ponds utilize sunlight, algae, bacteria, and natural aeration to treat wastewater over extended periods. These systems are particularly suitable for small communities and rural areas. Their sustainability benefits include minimal energy and chemical requirements, low maintenance and operational complexity, potential for integration with aquaculture or irrigation systems. However, these systems require significant land area and may have odor concerns if not properly managed. Still, they remain an environmentally friendly solution with proven effectiveness in tropical and subtropical climates. Moreover, decentralized wastewater treatment systems, DWATs. Decentralized systems treat wastewater close to the point of generation, as opposed to centralized systems that require large infrastructure for collection and transport. DWATs typically use gravity flow, anaerobic baffled reactors, constructed wetlands, and settling tanks to provide low-maintenance, modular treatment. The key advantages of DWATs include flexibility and scalability, ideal for small communities or peri-urban areas, lower infrastructure costs and energy use, community involvement and job creation in system operation and maintenance, improved resilience and reduced reliance on centralized infrastructure. DWATs are a cornerstone of sustainable sanitation programs in several countries, offering reliable treatment with minimal environmental disturbance. Continuing further, phytoremediation. Phytoremediation is the use of plants and their associated microbes to remove, degrade, or immobilize contaminants from wastewater. Certain aquatic plants such as water hyacinth, duckweed, vetiver grass, and cattails have the capacity to absorb heavy metals, nutrients, and organic pollutants from contaminated water. Advantages of phytoremediation include natural and aesthetic treatment method, low installation and operational costs, ability to enhance biodiversity and provide habitat, minimal energy use. However, the process is relatively slow and may be limited by seasonal variations or the presence of toxic compounds that inhibit plant growth. Nevertheless, it offers a low-impact treatment option in both rural and urban settings. Another point is resource recovery and water reuse. Modern sustainable treatment emphasizes not just the removal of contaminants, but the recovery of resources such as nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus, which can be used to make fertilizers, water, which can be reused for agriculture, industry, or landscaping, energy, recovered through biogas or thermal processes. Examples include struvite crystallization for phosphorus recovery, advanced oxidation and membrane processes to produce high-purity reclaimed water, anaerobic digesters for methane production. Water reuse reduces the demand on fresh water sources and helps close the loop in water resource management, especially important in water-scarce regions. Let's not forget eco-sanitation. Ecological sanitation. Ecological sanitation focuses on closing the nutrient and water loop by safely recycling human excreta into useful products. Dry or composting toilets, urine-diverting toilets, and other eco-sanitation systems allow safe treatment of waste on site, recovery of nutrients as compost or fertilizer, minimal use of water and energy, reduction in contamination of water bodies. Eco-sanitation supports sustainability by treating human waste not as waste, but as a resource, aligning with circular economy principles. One more thing, use of algae-based treatment systems. Algae-based systems use photosynthetic algae to consume nutrients and contaminants from wastewater, often in symbiosis with bacteria. These systems can be implemented in algal ponds, photobioreactors. Benefits of algae-based treatment include high nutrient removal efficiency, production of valuable algal biomass, which can be used for biofuels, animal feed, or fertilizers, CO2 sequestration through photosynthesis, This method is still under research and pilot stages but offers exciting possibilities for future sustainable treatment technologies. Sustainable wastewater treatment is not just about cleaning water, it's about creating systems that are energy efficient, resource conserving, resilient, and environmentally friendly. Techniques such as constructed wetlands, anaerobic digestion, membrane bioreactors, decentralized systems, and resource recovery are transforming how we manage wastewater in a way that benefits both people and the planet. By embracing sustainable methods, we move closer to achieving water security, climate resilience, and sustainable development goals. The future of wastewater treatment is not only clean, it is smart, circular, and sustainable.